To enable step counter on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, the first thing that we need to do is press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen. And then we're gonna go to widgets. Now here we need to find the health app. There we go. And you should be able to find a widget with the step counter. So for example, I can choose this one. Maybe this one actually. And let's press add in order to add it. And first we will need to configure the app as well. So we can press get started. Now we can press start. Let's go next. And continue. We need to grant permissions. Up here we can choose what do we want to focus on. So let's say we're gonna choose exercise. Let's go next, and then let's press start. And once it is set up, we need to also allow access to alarms and reminders. So let's press settings and let's allow permission. There we go, that should be it. And now, as you can see here, we have our widget with steps shown. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.